In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an opt-in form using Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, select form, choose start from scratch and then select classic form. In the form builder, click add element from the left panel. Drag the full name field into your form. Click the field's properties or gear icon and enable required, so users must enter their name. Next, add an email field below the name field. Open its settings and enable required to ensure every submission includes an email address. To customize the appearance of your form, click the form designer icon in the top right corner. Open the Themes section, browse the available themes and apply the one you like best. Now click Settings and update the form title to something descriptive, such as opt-in form, so it's easy to identify later. When your form is ready, click the Publish tab. You can copy the shareable link to send your form directly to users or copy the embed code to place it on your website. That's how to create an opt-in form using Jotform. Thanks for watching.